You just don't know
So,
who's stupid.
I started this, and then the video just went. So, I have to restart. I hate when that happens. I'm like in the middle of the video, and you guys can hear me now. So, anyways, I was in the middle of the video, and then it said, blah blah blah, please
What are you doing, Marcus?
So, I have blue eyeshadow in my face that I now have to cover with my Wet n Wild cover stick in mint, which is like way lighter than my normal skin tone. But it don't appear to be like that's it. So
you're Adrian.
it don't appear in my eye area.
Brian, I swear to God, you're trying to do the Rocky voice.
That's a couple small coats in this area since I have blue shadow.
I like you automatically think the Rocky voice when you think of my name. You gotta eat that love jet, you know what I mean?
Color to it. On my cheeks, I'm wearing pink sugar lipstick that I applied.
You know, I'm gonna get a movie scene for a while.
Actually
Expendables 3 happened, you know, my son died and my sister died.
$20
You know, I had to get the killer the right jet.
makeup look. Like 15-ish.
Yeah, so I think, what was it, a month? Or, I don't know, it was separate by 1 or 2.
Okay. So, eyelid primer all over the eye.
Did he really just do that?
Couple dots here. And I already have some down my nose. So,
Okay.
this side is pretty good. So then I need some.
Oh, come on. I played with my food and it killed me.
Because this was almost empty, I've been holding it like this in the container or like this. So it actually has lasts a lot longer, and I've had it for at least a couple months. So I'm taking this eyeshadow brush, which I think still has a little bit of at least a shimmering effect to it. Yeah. And my concealer brush, which is my eyelid base, it's a shimmering eyelid base. Not really. Crisper. I'm trying to just use the colors that were on my brushes.
I got MPD, I'm sorry. I just got retro lint. Yes. That's exactly what it is.
And then, I know this one still has a lot of color to it.
That was very fun.
So, at least it did.
Yeah, they're all right there. What do you know? Oh no, Marcus, what would you do if I got there anymore? Now, why would Marcus kill me?
Marcus won't like you.
Brian, why are you walking slow?
There's that. Maybe this time it will not shut up on me while I'm getting out my mascara. So, I've been using a liquid eyeliner that my boyfriend got me because he's so sweet and caring.
Do I look like Karen to you?
Karen, C-A-R-I-N-G.
I'm not Karen. I'm not Karen, okay?
Who cares a lot? So, this one is actually a Wet n Wild Sparkle Specs eyeliner. And it is wonderful. So I get close to my waterline as I can, because the sparkles touch my eyeballs.
Oh, I stopped the second stroke anyway. Brian, I'm freaking lagging out of here. Brian, I'm lagging to death. Brian, I'm not even in the game anymore. Brian, am I in the game?
I love this eyeliner, so I had the greatest time yesterday. And then this is the CoverGirl liquid eyeliner in number 800. It's the 24-hour one, and Lash Blast Fusion waterproof, because my boyfriend's amazing.
Brian, do you even hear me?
So when I first started doing this, it was real super, like, I'm a very turbulent person, so it was to clean my upper lashes.
Brian!
Except for I gotta use
Can
it
you hear
like
me?
2 times on my
Can you hear me, Brian?
before it works.
Brian! I can't hear you.
Is your microphone muted?
Oh, Brian, can you hear me? Hello? Brian! Brian!
I know, it's
Why can't you hear me, Brian? Why?
usually I never do because I only have 20 views. But
Brian, I'm sad. You can't hear me. I'm talking, and you don't hear me. You don't hear me. Why don't you hear me? Oh, there's a guy right there. There's a guy right there. There's a guy right there.
I know.
Brian. Hello, Brian.
Well, it looks better than having no eyebrows. But
Yeah.
listen.
Can you hear me now, Brian? Can you hear me? Yeah. Brian, why can't I hear you? Brian, why can't you hear me? Why can't you hear me, Brian? Why? What is it? Why can't you hear? Oh, now you can hear me. Brian, I've been crying because I can't hear you.
Okay.
I've been yelling. Why can't you hear me? Why?
It's helpful if I did not.
All this time. That's what she said. Oh yeah. The conversation I was having by myself.
Now, usually I would have my
Yeah, you know I'm not quiet. Get out of here. Especially with this rocky voice I got.
So
Chicken.
I take this
Chicken.
curved edge. Also not much. Now for my lips, the pink sugar. Now to apply this, I used
I have to make up for all the times you couldn't hear me go.
concealer brush. Oh my goodness.
No, Marcus, no.
So that's what it looks like. Like, don't mind awkward zip thing. But that's the color of the lipstick. Pretty neat. And then I made like a homemade lipstick in this eyelid primer container that I took this little
Brandon, it seems you need
thing
to do like
off,
faster than you think.
and there's like purple-ish lip gloss in there.
And now your microphone is farting and it's making that weird electronic ding dong.
It's like minty.
It sounds weird. I can't even describe that sound.
So it's actually refreshing. That's the color of it. So it goes awesome over top of this.
Oh, I was about to say, Brian, I didn't say nothing about photo.
So you guys are probably wondering one reason why there's been me shouting. My boyfriend records music and other stuff,
Movies.
movies and stuff like that. So the audio got all messed up when he was recording, and he didn't know how to
Brian,
fix
the other
it,
day when I
or
got off
he
here, I was
just
making a
couldn't
picture.
fix it.
It took me an hour
So,
after to even fix it again. Yeah.
So,
Because I couldn't do it through Paint. I had to do it through
I had
Microsoft
no
Office.
sound for like 2 months, kind of.
It turned out fine.
Now that I have
except
sound,
now my picture is not an 8x10. It's a little bit bigger. And when I took it to Walmart to print it out, she told me they can't resize it, which is BS. Yeah, and so basically, she didn't make me pay for the pictures because she screwed them up. And now I don't have no way to print them out or fix the picture size. I was gonna have Mel beat her up, yo. No, Mel wouldn't have did nothing. But ain't no way I was gonna pay for that. It cut off the whole picture. It's a photography camera picture. It takes huge pictures.
What was I saying?
So I don't know. Because when I hit print on my computer, it pops up an 8x10 and fix it to fit the paper. So I'm thinking about asking Mel's dad maybe and do it that way.
My birthday haul video.
But I'd really like to have it to give to my family so they have it.
I know, I never do a favorites video, but,
When I first got my Nikon, I was up my aunt's house up in Frederick, and I took a picture outside of her kitchen window. It was right above the sink. And she has 2 hummingbirds. She really loves hummingbirds. And
Can't wait.
that's on the left side. On the right, it was
Love
just
you.
looking outside with the snow. And I put the words there that says,
Now lock the door.
many years.